For 70 years, ETSU has been a leader in graduate education, offering post-baccalaureate certificates, master's degrees, and doctoral degrees that support the region.
I had taken a master's program in the very early 90s. I left the area and wasn't able to finish. Coming to that age now, this is really a bucket list item for me. And I found public health, and it really resonated with me.
The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics says that by the year 2031, 16% of all jobs will require a graduate degree for entry level. Graduates of East Tennessee State University graduate programs often stay within our Appalachian Highlands region and make significant impacts, whether that be in healthcare or education, business and industry, technology.
And I'm studying marginalized populations. I'm studying large group of people and finding where there are gaps in services, finding where their needs are not being met. And I believe we all have an obligation to provide to our neighbor.
I think one of the important things to keep in mind about our graduate programs is that the institution itself is a great size. We're large enough to have a diverse array of programs and great facilities, but we're small enough that you're not lost in a crowd and you're able to take advantage of opportunities to grow both as a student and as a leader. If you've been thinking about graduate school and you're not sure if it's for you, there's probably one or more people just like you at ETSU. About 40% of graduate students come part-time. They may be working in their field and take 1 or 2 classes each semester. Others come traditionally out of undergraduate and move into their area.
If you have the time and energy, I would absolutely say pursue it. I've been lucky, I really have, and I think it's my time to give.
Graduates of our program support the Appalachian Highlands and beyond as leaders and change makers, making a difference wherever they go.